Good afternoon, friends. Now we are discussing difference between job description and job specification. So the main concepts are already discussed. So what exact differences we have between job description and job specification? Job description defines the roles, responsibilities, and duties to be performed on a job position, whereas a job specification is a particular set of skills or attributes required in a candidate to perform the job which is described earlier. So the need for preparing a job description arises when the job analysis is done. So mainly the job analysis consists of these two parts, job description and job specification. Then the main differences are listed here. Job description is a document which states an overview of duties, responsibilities, and functions of a specific job in an organization, whereas job specification is a statement of qualifications, personalities, traits, skills, etc., required by an individual to perform that job. So job description will list out the job title, location, job summary, working environment, duties to be performed. Whereas job specification will list out the qualifications, experience, training skills, emotional attributes, mental capabilities of an individual. So job description will measure the task and responsibilities attached to the job, whereas job specification will measure the capability the job holder must possess to perform the job. Job description will offer ample information to help management in evaluating job performance and defining the training needs for any employee related to the job on which he is placed. But job specification will help the candidates applying for the job to analyze whether they are eligible for that particular job or not. So all the candidates who have applied for the job may not be having the required skills. So job specification will exactly identify the suitable candidate who is having the required skills. So job description will help the organization to be clear about who should do what. That is the employee who is capable of doing that particular job. So job specification will help the management to take decisions on promotion, bonus, increments, etc. Then coming to role analysis. So the terms job and role are very often used interchangeably, but they are two different terms. So job is an organizational unit which consists of group of defined tasks or activities to be carried out or duties to be performed. Whereas the role is the part played by an individual and the patterns of his behavior expected from them in fulfilling their work requirement. So, role analysis is an organized set of human behaviors. So role analysis three-factor model. So there will be a work-life balance which is having its influence with knowledge. So that is the worker should know. Having the knowledge of his family. That is including himself. He should know his family members. The task to be performed by an individual as father. Or mother if she is the worker is a woman. So the role of that particular employee as brother or sister in the family. Then so and other information related to the entire family. Then, the employee should have the knowledge of his work. So that is about the organization about the environment in which he is working and other functions of the work. Then he should have the skills relating to his family. So that is, he should know how to maintain peace within the family, and he should know how to share the feelings with his family members and listening to the feeling of his family members. And he should maintain a good network other members outside his family also. Then, as a so an employee should have the working skills. So, like in decision making, communication, and technical skills. Then behavior. So an family member, he should know how to maintain good relationship, social behavior and informal behavior within the family and outside the family. And in his working place, so he should know his behavior, both professional, formal and informal behavior. Then knowledge of self, others and tasks in the family life will enable the individual to engage effectively in multiple roles as we discussed as father or mother, brother or sister, son or daughter, etc. The complete knowledge of his or her organization he should know, the environment with which he or she must interface, and the functions that his or her work role involves. He or she can establish the right balance for achievement and enjoyment in both the spheres, both in the family sphere as well as the organizational sphere. So, as a worker and as a family member, he should know how to balance his work life. Similar way, the work-life balance, an individual has to develop relevant skills to deal with both the family and work spheres. A judicial blend of these three factors, like knowledge, skills, and behavior, will enable any individuals to strike a healthy work-life balance. Thank you.